Welcome to Furnace Repair, Raleigh Hills, Oregon, right now heating and cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. If you're looking for a trustworthy HVAC contractor in your area, then you should look to no one else than Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our experienced team offers services for residential as well as commercial properties. We have more than 25 years experience in the HVAC industry and can handle all of your most difficult HVAC problems. Our HVAC contractors and technicians are skilled in all aspects of the cooling and heating industry. They offer exceptional service, with exceptional results, outstanding customer service, and affordable prices. Every member of our team takes great pride in staying up to date with all codes and the latest technology in order to keep your home and family healthy. We love doing what we do, and it can be seen in the high quality of workmanship on every job regardless of magnitude or the complexity. Our HVAC technicians handle small heating and cooling needs that range from routine maintenance calls to huge central installation of cooling and heating systems. We only hire factory-trained technicians. They're among the top in the industry, so your work will be done exactly every time. Right Now Heating and Cooling is planning to continue our relationship even after the new equipment is installed. Our ongoing maintenance will ensure that your equipment is operating at its maximum efficiency without causing any disruptions. We provide a wide range of services such as furnace repair, furnace installations, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installations, heat pump repair, and heat pump installations, central heating repairs, central heating installations, thermostat repair, thermostat installations, as well as many other services. Our goal is to provide an affordable price and skilled HVAC technicians. We also guarantee our work with a 100% workmanship guarantee. Our HVAC experts are now available for heating and cooling installation or repair for your home or business. We offer options for pricing on all repairs/expert, guaranteed workmanship, emergency and weekend service, as in warranties on all parts and labor. Visit our website or contact us at 503-300-6124.